Assalamu alaikum everyone. Over the years, I've read hundreds of self-help personal development books which offered me immense knowledge, ideas, strategies that helped me to make a difference in my life. However, the challenge time and time again was the lack of impact in terms of making a big difference and the ability to make deeper positive changes and changes that would last. And I believe that that's because of two reasons. Number one, because of the lack of coming from an Islamic framework perspective, Islamic guidance, wisdom, values-based teachings. And number two, because of the fact that many of them do not have sufficient enough activities to help you to practice to the level of skill, because unless you can practice something and be able to take it to the habitual level, it's not really going to last much, and so the impact is very minimal. And alhamdulillah, I'm really grateful to be able to say that in my recently released book, Transformed by Values, it addresses these two key areas by offering methodologies of personal development, self-help, spiritual self-help, applied positive psychology, and all within the framework of integrating Islamic teachings, ideas, with a focus on Islamic values. So for me, over the last 20 years, having taught this content and seeing firsthand the impact it's had, I can really reassure you that you're going to get immense value in being able to make big positive changes.